In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from XE to GCash. So first of all, you will need to create an XE money transfer account. If you have not done that yet, you can do that through the link in the description, and by using that link, you will get your first transfer without any fees if you send above a certain amount. Now next, after creating your account, simply click Send Money. For the destination country, select the Philippines, then click Continue. Now from here you can choose how much you would like to send. Now make sure that the currency right here is yours. For me it's euros, it's correct. Now let's say that I would like to send 300 euros. Then I can simply enter that right here. And then you will see how much your recipient gets. Now here choose how you would like to pay for it. I'll go with a bank transfer. And here where it says deliver to, this is the most important part. Click on the drop down and then you need to select a mobile wallet. Now this will only be available with certain payment methods. You will see if I pay with a bank transfer, then I cannot do a mobile wallet. But if I pay with credit card or debit card, then I can select a mobile wallet. Now here in the add promo code section, click on add promo code, and if you enter this code right here, then if you send over 5,000 euros or the equivalent in your currency, and it doesn't need to be in one transfer, it can be over how long you want it to be, but after you send 5,000 euros through XE money transfer, you will get a 50 euro gift card sent to your email. So if you want to get that, simply enter this code right here. I'll also leave it down in the description along with the sign up link, then click continue to add that. Now after doing that, click on continue in the bottom. Now here just enter your recipient's details, so that's their first name, last name and their city or state right there. Then here select the reason for the transfer and click continue. Now here in the mobile wallet section you want to go ahead and select GCash. Then here simply enter their mobile number, and that's the mobile number that should be connected to their GCash account. Then simply click continue, add your own payment details, then make sure all the details are correct, and if they are, go and confirm the transfer, and then you will have sent the money to GCash. So it's pretty simple, just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. Now again, if you want to get a 50 euro gift card after you've sent 5,000 euros or the equivalent in your currency in transfers, and again it doesn't need to be in one transfer, but simply enter this code right here. Also, if you want to get started with XE money transfer and potentially get your first transfer without any fees, then click on the link down in the description to get started for free. So now you know how to send money through XE money transfer to GCash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.